My name is Frank Walker. I'm the owner of Frank Walker Law, located in downtown Pittsburgh in the Lawyers Building, Suite 1800. I've practiced for 7 years. I graduated at West Virginia University, Marshall University, and West Virginia State College. I started out working for the county, the Office of Conflict Counsel, and then I went to a small, medium-sized law firm in Pittsburgh, and then I just started my practice in June of this year. When people get arrested of a crime, they're usually confused. They don't know which way to turn. They don't know what to expect. So I tell the people to come into my office, the clients to come into my office, let's talk about it. Bring your paperwork, let me take a look at it, let me review it, see if it's someone I know, someone I've worked with in the past. I can make a phone call, try to get this resolved prior to the hearing, at least work in that direction prior to the hearing. Now, if you're coming to my office, that's great. That means you're not in prison, you're not in jail. If you're not coming to my office and a family member is coming to my office on your behalf, that means I'll come down to the jail, wherever you're at, and come down and talk to you about your case, review your paperwork, and make you understand exactly what you're facing. The steps, the preliminary hearing, the arraignment, the pretrial conference, and the trial, and let you understand exactly what you're facing and what you're looking at. I also handle personal injury and medical malpractice cases. Personal injury where it would be a slip and fall or a car accident. Medical malpractice where you go to your medical provider and you expect a certain level of competency or a certain level of care by your medical professional, and they don't meet that standard. So there is a cause of action for medical malpractice in that area. So when people are looking for personal injury attorneys or medical malpractice attorneys, they also come to my office because I have the experience to deal with those types of cases and get a fair result, if not a settlement, get a fair result by taking it to jury trial and getting a result from the jury. In my experience, my background with the Office of Conflict Counsel for the county, I handled numerous jury trials, one after another after another. We were the parallel office to the Office of the Public Defender. If there was a conflict with the Public Defender's office, we would handle the case. So day in and day out, if we weren't settling the case, we were going in front of a jury. So I have tons of jury experience and I have tons of results in front of the jury, good and bad. I don't want to lead you to believe that I'm always getting a good verdict in a jury. So I've had good results and bad results. But the thing you need to look at is the experience that our firm offers you in front of a jury. We've been there. We know what to expect. We know how to select the jury. We know how to get the best result from the jury. In this day and age, there's a lot of information out there about attorneys. You look online, you look on TV, there's ads all over the place. So the public is pretty much inundated with information about choose this attorney, choose that attorney. I encourage people to do their research. You can visit the website, look at their results, look at their experience, look at how they got to where they are. Ask around for referrals about the attorney's reputation for being prepared, for their reputation in the courthouse or in that county or in that town where your case is. You want someone who has the experience to deal in the matter you're facing. So if someone's only dealt in theft cases or public drunkenness cases, they may not be equipped to handle your robbery or your homicide case. So it takes a person who has the experience specific to your area of crime that you're facing to represent your interests and make sure you receive a fair trial and fair representation. Most clients, when we have a successful outcome, they are appreciative of our efforts to fight for them, whether it be investigation or stay with them the entire time. Throughout the process, the preparation, clients are often, they don't like it because it takes time to go over and over every piece of evidence. It's gruesome work, it's tiresome work. It's tedious, but it's necessary in order to be prepared to go to trial and know the ins and outs of the case, know the answer to every question before it's asked. So the outcome is sweeter because if they get the verdict that they're looking for, then they know that it was worked for, it was hard, and they deserved it. And they're going to tell other people. So they like the outcome, they like our firm, and they like our preparation and how we approach each and every case. So they tell their friends, and that's how our practice gets out there. Clients can contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our website at frankwalkerlaw.com. They can get a free consultation, they can submit the facts about their case, and we'll review it and get back to them as soon as possible, or they can contact their office toll-free.